Hey, this is Alexander from SHYSKYTECH. In this video, I will take this DC60G-24120S model. This micro brushless DC water circulation pump among our series. This pump is with rated voltage 24 volts DC and the rated power consumption 100 watts. Both inlet and outlet are 3/4 inch threaded ports with external diameter of about 25 millimeters. This pump is with max head about 12 meters at 24 volts DC and max horizontal flow rate about 3,400 liters per hour. Yes, this is the metal base for installation. This is the tail side of this pump. Here we should pay attention to this point. The joint connection between the cable and the pump body. Here, as we see, 4 screws are fixed here. If we place this whole pump completely underwater and deep inside water, we should do something in advance. Place some extra waterproof materials firmly wrapped around to strengthen the waterproof class here. Since here it is a waterproof rubber circle inside, and we should enhance the performance of waterproof just for in case, yes, to avoid possible water leakage, which happens though in very small possibility. Okay, this pump is equipped with dry run protection mechanism. As we see, this pump is a micro brushless DC water pump. It works via high-speed rotation of rotor inside through the centrifugal force to push the water inflow out of the outlet, achieving the performance of circulation. It cannot be self-priming. It cannot absorb air inside, so this pump cannot be self-priming. This dry run protection will be a good protection feature, though we always do not suggest that our users use it in non-time dry run scenario without inflow. Yes. Okay, I will power this pump with a matching DC 24 volts power supply. This one, actually it's AC/DC converter, and I will run this pump. First of all, let's choose the dry run protection scenario. This is without water inside, and the pump will rotate, stop for a while, and then run again. Reduce the rotation speed and frequency to greatly elevate the physical friction and heat that may be generated in this abnormal scenario to protect this pump. Yeah. Okay, let's place this pump into water to test its pumping performance, to view its pumping. Okay, this is the power supply, and I will place it on the water. As what I introduced at first, if we place this pump completely on the water here, this part we shall place some extra waterproof enhancement. Yes. Okay, now as we see, the pump works normally. We get the pump out of water and see dry run protection being triggered again. It will stop for a while to greatly elevate the physical damage. but it cannot completely stop the friction. Yes, because it still runs in a lower pace. Let's place it on the water again. As to this pump, this dry run protection is ready to either indoor underwater installation or land use, namely that we place the pump being connected with pipes or both ports, inlet and outlet in the circulation cooling system. Yes. As to the power supply, it should be DC 24 volt power supply, and the max voltage shall not exceed 28 volts DC. Pay attention, otherwise this pump could have been negatively impacted or even damaged by overvoltage. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye bye.